coming with me to the hilltop? Dory? Are you coming with me to the hilltop? Are you coming with me to the hilltop? Are you coming? Yes or no? Dory? Are you coming with me to the hilltop? Are you coming? Are you coming with me to the hilltop? Yes? Yes? Yes or no? Stop it. Yes? How about you, Harley? Harley? She's eating. Oh my God. Look what Dory did. Dory? Dory? Are you coming with me? You're coming with me to the hilltop? Yes? You're coming with me to the hilltop? Yes? Yes? Are you coming? Okay. Harley? You coming with me? Yes? Yes? You coming? Okay, let's see if they follow me. Let's see if they follow me to the hilltop. Because I think... Okay. This my bag's heavy. Let's see if they follow us. She's just watching over there. They're gonna follow me. Ooh, look what I got. Oh, shit. I found this. Harley. Harley, you got a baby. You have to stay here. Harley's have a baby, so she can't be with us. She have responsibilities. Look what I got. What do you call this in English? For Filipino, we call it santol. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open it. Oh my God. So hard. Harley and Dory, you see him? You see them? Did you see them? They are waiting for me. Where are you guys going? They know the way, so they will be the one to guide me to the hilltop. Harley's so tired, but she just got big frog. She just gave birth. Where are you guys going? Look. Coconuts. Coconuts. Banana. Look. It's a pineapple. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Dory's very jealous dog. She's so jealous. Dory, no! No! Dory, no! Go, Harley. She listened. Now we're going. This is the road to Hilltop. And I am with the two friends. I am with my two friends. Oh, I'm bringing my laptop so it's a little bit heavy. I'm bringing my phone. Bringing my boyfriend's shirt. And a laptop. Oh, it's a nani. See that? Okay. Come. Make it fast. You tired? Are you tired? Yes? Pass. You're excited to see Derek? Oh, you see the oceans? Oh. What are you eating, Dory? They left me. You hiding? Are you hiding? Come on. Are you hiding from me? Come on. Let's go. Dory's so tired. Harley. Oh, Harley's over there. Over there. Oh my God, the laptop's so heavy. You see them? You see our two friends? Oh, she's always been waiting for me. Where are they? Oh, I'm alone now. Think I'm scared? Oh, come on. No. Where are they? Look, I got my bag. Nooch Vegan Market. Okay, we're near. Look. See that house over there? Look at the two dogs. Jackfruit. tent. We sleep in the tent. Mangoes. Check it out. Come on, Tori. Come on, guys. Dory! Do you see them? Come. Welcome back to mangoes. Ooh. Mangoes everywhere. It's reachable. Not ripe. Not ripe. That's a mango. Small. Everything is small. This is where we sleep. Mangoes. Papaya. Papaya. We got jackfruit. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, see the oceans. Amazing place, huh? Oh. Oh, you tired? Chili. You tired?